Hello friends, in today's video we will be seeing some additional Linux commands. So as we can see, I have already logged into the console, and let's see in which directory we are. So we are in home Linux directory. For content sync we can use ls command. So we can see that there are these directories and there is a test file which is test.txt. Now the first command which we'll be seeing is head command, and that head command is format is like we need to give the command that is head and the file name test.txt. Now if I give this command, we can see the first 10 lines are printed. Now test.txt, if I see by checking less command, so we can do test.txt and say test.txt less. We can see this file contains 20 lines and it starts with these lines like and ends with line 20, right? So this is the file content, and head command, what it does, it will print the first 10 lines of the file by default. Now another use of head command is we can mention the number of lines which we want to see. Suppose if I give head -4 test.txt, it will print only 4 lines, sorry, of the file, right? So that is a use of the head command. If I use similar command and do head hyphen say 15, it will print 15 lines, right? txt, yeah. So it is able to print 15 lines. That is, this is the use of the head command. Now let's see next command, which is known as the tail command. Format is similar. We have to give command, then we need to give the file name test.txt. So if I give this, we can see immediately that there are 10 lines printed. However, those are last 10 lines of the file, right? So basically command itself suggests it is a tail. So whatever are ending lines of the file, those 10 lines by default it will give. Similar to head command, we can mention the number of lines which we want to see. So if I do tell-5 test.txt, it will show me only 5 ending lines, right? Again, if I want to do that, I can do tell-15, it will show me 15 lines of the end, right? Now next command is a tag command. So let's see first what cat command is. As we have seen earlier, if I do cat test.txt, what I will get is entire file printed, right, in this particular correct order. Now if I do tag, and we can see tag is exactly opposite of cat, and so it will have actions of the similar way. So text dot txt, right? So okay, spelling is wrong. So test dot txt, right? So we can see it has printed the entire file, but it in the reverse order. So tag works exactly opposite of the file. It will also show you the file, but it will only show you the data in the reverse order. Now next command is wc, that is the word count. So basically wc command is used in cases where you want to see the number of lines, number of words and number of characters in the file. So if I use this command, we can see wc test.txt. So first it has printed number of lines, so there are 20 lines, there are 47 words and there are 197 characters in this file, right? Now it provides another option where we can give the specific option while giving the command. So if it gives like wc-l test.txt, it will show us only lines, right, in the wc command. So this is a use of word count command. Next command is used for compression of the file, which is known as gzip command. Format, the use syntax is similar. So gzip, then we need to give the file name test.txt, and we can do ls. So we can see the file is now in the zipped format, right? So whenever we want to save some storage on our server, we can use the gzip command. Now next command is to do uncompression of the file. So we can do gunzip, and we can give the test.txt.gz, and we can do ls, and we can see the file is back in the original form. So this is a use of the gunzip command. Now next command is date command. Date command is used whenever you want to see the details of date of the system, right? So if I type this command, it will show us the current date, what is the current date on the system, and it will show us the time zone also. UTC is the current time zone uh, on which under which the system is running. Now suppose if I want to check the calendar, I can give cal command and it will show me the current calendar month, which is June 2022, and today's date is the 9th June, right? Now next command is basically sleep command. If I want to put my control for a sleep for say some time, I can give sleep and then I can mention say 5 seconds. So for 5 seconds this system will be under the sleep, right? So this is what is use of the sleep command, right? Next command is clear command. I think we have used this command multiple times because I have been using it in between, because if I want to clear the screen I'll use clear command. This will result in clearing of the screen. So guys, these are the some of the very basic Linux commands, but these are very useful while working on the Linux CLI. Another command which I can recall is ls-lrth. So this is similar to ls. However, we can see now if we see both the output, so ls will be only giving us list of the details, but ls-lrth will give us multiple other details, like it will show you the owners of the file, that these are the owners, then the last updated time, then we can give the permission, we can check the permission of the files, we can check the size of the directory, something of that. Yeah, so this is again another useful command which is ls-lrth, right? So yeah, basically these are very useful commands which we can use while working in the Linux domain. So a quick revision is, first we check the head command which gives us the starting lines of the file, then we check the tail command which gives us the ending lines of the file, tag which prints file in the reverse format in the console, then we check the cat command which prints file in the original format, then there is a wc which is word count for checking lines, words, characters, number, then there is a gzip command which is used for compressing the file, gunzip which is used for uncompression of the file, then there's a locate command which we can use for locating the file in a specific server, there's a date command which we can use for checking the date, then there's a calendar command which you can use for checking the calendar date, the sleep for checking this, for putting system in a sleep mode for some seconds, there's a clear command which we can use for clearing our console, right? So this is the these are the commands which we checked. Again, useful command is help. If we print help and any command, right, it will give you the if you print help, let's see what happens. Then no harm in trying. So we can see there are multiple other options which are there in the Linux, right? It gives you basic information about Linux systems and everything. Now you can use, there's a command known as man, which is a manual command. I can do say man and I can do say wc, so it will show me the entire syntax for wc command, what are the options, what are the files, etc., right? And this is the way to get further information for any command. So if I press q, uh, it will be quitting that particular thing. Now suppose if I do man and I do gzip, it will show me the gzip related information, right? So this is a very nice way to understand the Linux command format and other data, right? So friends, this was the basic information about Linux commands, and if you like this video, please do share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Till next video. Bye.